guys, hope you are doing well, and I have come across a small issue on my website that is made using WordPress. So what is the issue is that in the media library and also in the website, the many of images are missing, like showing this kind of the blank thumbnail on the website, and some places there are just all text. So I have been trying to fix this for last 1 hour. So that was actually small issue, but I was actually doing a lot of things that was totally unnecessary. So I actually come with a solution for you. So if you're actually facing the same issue, you can apply this from your site, and it will I hope that it will fix. So let's see how you can fix that. So first of all, you need to log into your cPanel on your website. In my case, I'm using this control panel that is provided by my hosting, and you need to go to your file manager. So after you going to the public.html of your cPanel, you will have to go to the like to the file system. So in there is a simple file that called .htaccess, and this actually rules the images of your website. So there is some kind of the rules that was determined by one plugin that I'm using, that is Smash Pro. So actually that's set for WP image delivery. So that was the making this whole issue. So what you need to do is you need to actually delete the htaccess file, and also you need to check your WP content folder, and also check that there is yeah, you have to go on uploads and check if there is any other folder regarding this, like the timestamp, like 2021 to 2023. So you can see in my case there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to delete these 5 because I don't need that. So let's delete this, and after that let's go on my media, and I want to reload this on a new tab. So you can see that it's already fixed. So this is the before state. You can see there is the image missing, and after deleting the htaccess file from the file manager, I can see that it's working totally perfect. So yeah, this is the thing. So there is a lot of tutorial I have also seen, like this one, and also a lot of other YouTube videos to fixing this simple issue, but didn't work for me. So I think if you've seen these videos and it didn't work for you, you can try just deleting the htaccess file of your folder, and also the other folder that I showed to you, that is excluding these 3 folder, like the year sign stamps. So I think that will work for you. So yeah, that's it for the video, and have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.